When it comes to making a lasting first impression, curb appeal is everything. In Fayetteville, where homes range from traditional Southern charm to modern builds, homeowners are always seeking ways to enhance their property's appearance while increasing its value. One of the most elegant and effective upgrades is the addition of bow windows. These sweeping, curved window installations not only transform the exterior aesthetic but also enrich the interior experience of any residence. A timeless architectural feature, bow windows are characterized by their graceful curve, typically formed by 4 to 6 window panels set at gentle angles. Unlike flat, standard windows, bow windows extend outward, creating a rounded appearance that adds depth and sophistication to a home's facade. In Fayetteville neighborhoods, where individuality in home design is highly prized, this unique feature sets a residence apart from the rest. From the curb, bow windows exude luxury and timelessness. They echo classic European architecture while still fitting seamlessly into Southern-style homes. Whether a house is clad in brick, stone, or siding, bow windows provide a natural focal point that elevates the entire exterior. Brightening interiors while enhancing exteriors. One of the most remarkable benefits of bow windows is the way they invite natural light into a home. Because they feature multiple glass panes arranged in a curve, they capture sunlight from different angles throughout the day. For Fayetteville residents, this means brighter mornings and well-lit living spaces even during overcast weather. From the outside, the added depth and shimmer of sunlight bouncing off these windows make the home look more inviting. Visitors and potential buyers instantly notice the way the structure feels more open, airy, and cared for, qualities that strongly influence curb appeal. Creating functional outdoor charm. Bow windows don't just beautify a house, they also create usable exterior space. The extended design adds architectural interest by breaking up flat exterior walls. Many homeowners use the ledge created by the bow as a place for seasonal decor, planters, or lighting. In Fayetteville, where lush greenery and flowering plants are common, bow windows provide a picturesque frame for showcasing nature's beauty. This subtle touch of landscaping integration ties the home to its surroundings, making it stand out in the neighborhood while feeling perfectly at home in Fayetteville's scenic environment. Boosting property value. Curb appeal isn't only about looks, it's also about value. According to real estate trends, homes with unique architectural features like bow windows tend to sell faster and often at higher prices. In Fayetteville's competitive housing market, an investment in bow windows can pay off when it's time to sell. Prospective buyers see these windows as a luxury feature, a sign that the home has been thoughtfully designed and maintained. They also recognize the added square footage and interior versatility bow windows create, such as reading nooks, breakfast areas, or expanded living rooms. Versatility in style and design. Bow windows offer a wide range of customization options, making them suitable for nearly every Fayetteville residence. Homeowners can choose from materials like vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, and select finishes that complement their home's exterior. Additionally, the choice of grid patterns, glass types, and trim details ensures that the bow window installation feels like a natural extension of the home's style. Whether enhancing a historic brick colonial near downtown Fayetteville or a modern craftsman-style home on the outskirts, bow windows can be tailored to fit the look and feel of the property perfectly. A lasting first impression. At the end of the day, curb appeal is about creating a warm and memorable impression for visitors, neighbors, and future buyers. Bow windows achieve this with their elegant curves, abundant natural light, and functional charm. In Fayetteville, where homeowners take pride in balancing beauty and comfort, installing bow windows is more than a design choice. It's an investment in the character and value of the home. By elevating both the exterior allure and the interior experience, bow windows truly embody the best of form and function. For Fayetteville residents looking to make their homes shine, bow windows are a timeless upgrade that delivers beauty, practicality, and undeniable curb appeal.